So I would like to learn that, right? Then we have panpsychism or panpsychism. I could never pronunciate a lot of these philosophical terms, right? Which postulates that all matter on a universal.
Have an idea and you present it, and I say, no, I disagree with you. I think it should be this way. Then we're going to debate that, and maybe we're going to
ambiguity in semantics, where I explore every facet of ambiguity in semantics, primarily. Right, I mean, sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Disinhibition is when a manic is removed from cultural nurturing and social conditioning. Then we have grandiosity. Grandiosity, again, is self-explanatory. It is the augmentation of one's ambition. And then you have pathological compulsion. Pathological compulsion.
It makes you deal with physics.
Right, so it's just a spin on your general knowledge as Atelston.
Yeah, if I'm going to write, compose, and arrange music, I mean, I might as well study what is sound. Sound travels 700 miles. It is the collision of air molecules.